Hi guys, how you doing? Today we're going to continue on this Datsun j1300 engine. Going to be putting the crank inside there. We have our thrust washers there. We have our main bearings. This is our crank, so we're just gonna take it and put it in here. We have our bearings there, main bearings. This is our bearings. As you know, the tick from the bearing goes to the tick from the to the cup. Here's our thrust washers there. This thrust washers goes like this. It's like that, but then it goes like that, like that. So you need, this thing must come outside so that it can lubricate this side, so that your crank doesn't get hot. Sorry, my place is kinda is not tidy. I just cleaned it yesterday, so yeah. This one, same as I already put this one here. This one same as this one. It goes like that. Come on, it goes like that. Yeah, focus, man. Come on. Yeah, so it goes like that. So it needs the oil that's gonna come out here needs to come out there. So yeah, it's going to lubricate the crank from the side. So yeah, we have already put in our bearings here. So the thing from the bearing goes there, same as this one, then same as that one. So the thing that you need to do is to lubricate your bearings, so that when you start the engine, if the oil has not already reached the bearing here, so that you don't burn out your bearing or your bearings don't get hot. Some use grease, but I just prefer to use oil. Just use this oil to lubricate the bearings. So yeah, we have our bolts there. For now, we're going to be putting the crank inside there. We have our pulley with the timing chain. Come on, so it's gonna go there, and then this side is going to hook up here, but we're not going to be doing that today. That is for another video. If you are not up to date, go check out the previous videos that I did on this engine. I think I did 2 or maybe 1. Yeah, so this is another part. I think it's part 3 or 4. So for now we're going to be doing that, and then how to set up the timing, I'll show you how to do that also, but it's not gonna be into this video. So for now, let's take this crank and then put it in there. I don't have a stand for this camera, so I'm just going to bring back in a minute. And then, as you know, this side has to come this side, and then that side has to come this side for the flywheel. This side has to go that side for that timing chain. Alright guys, our crank is in. So what we need to do now is we are going to put in our main bearings. So this one, the first one, it goes here. Remember, it goes like that. This space right here, this thing needs to fit here, so it goes like that. If it doesn't go in, don't force it. Make sure that it goes in properly. Just push it down. Let's leave it like that. And then this one, the middle one, make sure that the washers don't fall. So it's gonna go in like this one is a problem to put in. It's gonna go in like that. It's not entirely in. I think we have a space there. yeah, but I think it is in. So then this one right here, it's gonna go this side. No, it's gonna go like that. Am I right? No, it's gonna go like that. So for now, I'm not going to be, I'm just gonna get a hammer and then just tap them up until they are seated. So I'll bring you back after. So let me just show you. Here's our hammer here, just like this one. I'm going to just smack it like that. Up until it is flush here. So that's, let me do the rest of them and then I'll bring you back. Alright guys, so they are in. So the second thing that you need to do is to make sure that your crank turns. If it doesn't turn, then you have a huge problem. That means that is either your cups have not seated well, or your bearings have some dust in it, or they are not lubricated, or you didn't put your cups in the correct order. So that is just how it goes. So now we're going to be tightening them up. As you tighten them, you need to turn your crank just to make sure that everything is still okay. I'll bring you back in a minute. Let me just put in the bolts. Alright guys, so we got our bolts in. So as you can see, our crank still turns right. So that means that we are on the right track. So what we are going to do now is just to tighten them up. So like I said before, I only have one hand and I don't have a stand for this. So what is going to do, I'm going to be just tightening them up like that. Then as we're doing that, we turn our crank and then on to the next one. You tighten them up like that. Then as you're doing that, you turn your crank. If your crank still turns, that means that you're on the right track. So with that guys, so next time I wish we could install the pistons. So next time what we are going to do is that we are going to install the pistons and we are going to set the timing. So but for now this is just it. I don't want the video to be long. So yeah, I think we are done now. So next time on the video, installing the setting the timing and installing the pistons. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for the next videos. It might not be this one, but surely it will. I hope it is interesting. I hope you like it. If you like it, give it the thumbs up, and then it really helps out the video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.